saying this by the way, may I ask, you know, feel like a little bit of the momentum kind of slow up with Gyal good?
Get out of here.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Hey, y'all, come look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
People are going. I don't know me one Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know, I think so. Yo, big up 3 people in what support the movement. Is it? Yeah, man, you don't know. No other Media Fox around here. Is it? But people, they must say, which song are the song for the summer? Out of Gyal Good, Alkaline, or Masicka, Slip and Slide. But look, we have a wonderful video there. To break down everything with the video. You understand? So you don't know Narrow and Shadow. Yeah. So we're going to a video and making you know what going on. You see me?
What the song of the summer? What the song of them say I go take over the summer? What will be the summer song? From your perspective. What do you think?
Well, so far,
Is it a pre-existing song or a song that you haven't heard so far? What do you think?
I think it's a song that we have heard so far, but I've heard like about 4 or 5 songs that I say, okay, these songs definitely have the potential to make, you know, to make some serious dent in the whole summer thing.
Mm-hmm.
But in terms of existing song, I think the front runners currently are Masicka's Slip and Slide and Alkaline's Gyal Good.
All right now, people. See? You see, the Alkaline Gyal Good and the Masicka Slip and Slide, people. I think people now see what going on out there in the world. I understand the Jamaican space with the Slip and Slide, but me not too see the song I dominate worldwide like Gyal Good. Me know everybody see what going on. So I have 2 clips where based on people I react to it and a bag of thing. I want to show you the difference, the energy, the crowd reaction when it comes to the song them. You understand? So look here now, I'm going to play some clip and I'm going to see what go on. See?
Gyal Good.
So look here now, this is a Masicka Slip and Sliders. Look at the energy, you know. Look at the reaction. See? Here what go on. So the song does a play. People them they their vibe. See? So look here now. This is our next one. See him Slip and Slide. A lady a dance, but the crowd, the other some people them just I do what them I do. Alright now. I wanna see what I go on, people, because me that try to find some video where the crowd are react, you understand? Or people are react to the song, but a 2 video alone could have find. You understand, pan TikTok and things. So we're gonna show you when a song hit, it hit. Like people have vibes and I sing out the song. You understand? Vice gone. You understand, people? So listen here now. People. Ah boy. You see what I'm talking about? There's difference. You see Masicka, he is a good artist. But you see this social media thing and this hyping up and this everything drop a hit and all of these things. It's not showing. See? It not show people. Trust me, it's not showing, bro. It's happened over and over. When a song hit, you hear the voice and you can hear the energy. We just play 2 video with the slip and slide. We just hear the music. Yeah, I one lady a dance to it. But what are the rest of the people doing? You understand? When a song hits, you can feel energy of the crowd. Same like the Gyal good with Alkaline just sing a while ago. You understand? Make we listen what them say.
Those are definitely the 2 front runners presently for Song of the Summer.
Okay.
Right.
To me, the Masicka slip and side, it not hit big yet like Gyal good. It don't. It not hit big yet. And down in the video, I can prove it to you.
I could throw in Bossy in there.
Bossy is good, but I don't think Bossy is bigger than Slip and Slide presently.
Okay.
Right.
The foot.
The man said, Bossy, brother. Yo, why you don't keep on a chick Masicka, brother? Bro, yo, me I tell the people, but yo, you see anytime Masicka perform on some big stage, I wanna see the reaction, go see. That go prove to no.
The thing is, I'm good I chat some fucker right now, so just say with me. But this is just how I feel in the moment. I feel like the uniqueness of Slip and Slide, ironically, some of the lost that kind of gone from it because it turned out it's a juggling.
No, but Masicka on his own merit has a wave.
True.
Right.
But yet,
Why? I tell you. People say a Valiant song, people say this a song, and people say a Masicka song. We don't know. But is these songs dominating outside of Jamaica? When we are talking about dominate, we see it like the crowd reaction, everything. We can see the Gyal good reaction. You understand? We can see all of that people. You see me? But what do them say?
Still, I feel like even the conversation surrounding the rhythm kind of overshadowed the song too. From my point of view, I could be wrong. From what me I say, I just the talk about the rhythm, other than the actual, even the Slip and Slide itself, and even the songs on the rhythm, I take the spotlight. I feel like the conversation surrounding the rhythm, I take the spotlight.
Well, that kind of true. From Miss Faye forward out and say a bag of thing. It's like we're not to hear no more of the song on the rhythm again. It's like after that, everything just gone. Like the energy gone, people. The energy gone. I tell you. It was just a hype thing with the rhythm, the internet thing and a bag of thing. But once a bag of madness go on the rhythm, is like the energy not really survive for too long. You see me?
But curiosity drive listenership though.
That is true. But what is the actual conversation surrounding the songs?
The conversation is, we would like to see some better offerings in terms of, more palatable lyrics on the project. But we like this.
Yeah, song of the summer. Me did forget also Yakstar mention with the return. Only for people make me hear, and only for like hear taxi a pass, and only for people me hear sing the song the live. V5 for the country man. Okay.
Masicka, Yakstar the return, Masicka, Slip and Slide, and Alkaline, Gyal good.
Mm-hmm.
Right. I think definitely those are the
feel like look a bit of momentum. I'm not saying this by the way, I ask.
People, I know that part, yeah. I'm gonna make the vendetta people them beat Naro right now, cause Naro, you're a big podcaster, dog. You deal with music, you deal with a lot of things. You see, if you are going to do podcast and talk about music and songs, do your research. Try to involve yourself with things we are going at the media. So it don't make you look like some idiot on the internet, dog. You see me? Like, you not update yourself with the things in the space. But you are going to say something based on what you never experienced. But listen, people.
You don't feel like a bit of the momentum kind of slow up with Gyal good?
Alright, people. Naro no know what go on in the media. But him have him suggestion. So look here now, Naro. You say you feel like a little bit at the moment I died on with Gyal good. Alright, look here now. Alright now, Naro. That was one. That was in Guyana. We are gonna left from Guyana in the private jet. Seeing, we're gonna go over UK now. More to listen to what I want people. People want to listen to this. All when the song stop play, the people them still are sing. That is a mega hit. Alright now people. Gyal Good is creating an impact in these Caribbean countries. So Guyana have the Gyal Good. Basically them start the Gyal Good segment. Reaction. Seen? So look here now. Alkaline have a show named Tipsy in a Barbados. You understand? Barbados. July the 19th. Seen? But look here now. The same Tipsy page posts up this. So if you look below in the comment section, like under the video right here, so you hear them say Guyana was loud. TMF. You next. You understand? Barbados. Wanna ready to sing this one at top of your one-alongs. So Barbados people, remember you know, the Gyal Good challenger go on. Which country can do the best? So when they matter about the slip and slide and all of them things, brother, that not really I do nothing major, my G. You understand? So Barbados are weird pan because them see the reaction with Gyal Good with Guyana. So Barbados I look forward to try compete with that. You understand? Alright now. This one is Trinidad. Seeing Summer Stage Festival. Right people? This are gonna be August the 22nd. So this are after Barbados. Right? I think you might do Antigua after. I'm not sure. I don't know if Antigua, but maybe down the line Antigua gonna jump in at the competition. The Gyal Good competition. Seeing? So look at this now. If you look under the video, Summer Stage say we heard Guyana. Means them hear the reaction of the Gyal Good Guyana. Them say Trinidad, the challenge is on. This is when a song impactful where countries are waiting for sing a song, compete. You understand? Then them say we are calling the chores. You know when you're going to chores like church and you hear church I sing. And them tell you the date. Saturday 22nd of August 2026. Naro. You as a Gyal Good. You feel like it a die out. You not even know say the same song I create a challenge in these different Caribbean countries right now. You understand? Alright, so people, this is our next video. Gyal Good. This is Idonia in UK at City Splash.
No.
So people, wanna see all of that. We are not seeing slip and slide with this type of impact. We does not seeing it, people. You understand? To me, slip and slide is just a hot song because of the rhythm and the little whole internet thing. Yeah, you don't know Jamaica go run whatever got trending and all them thing there. But we are talking about outside of Jamaica, the global thing we are talking about. You understand? So we're going to show them as a people.
Did you see his performance over the weekend in Ghana?
No, I never catch it on a clip for that.
Right.
In performance, I mash up the place.
Look at Daily Dirt. You would see a clip there.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see that on Daily Dirt.
Yo, me tell you, see that boy in area. The man is a real hypocrite in a dog. You see, when it comes to Alkaline, the man not see nothing. And him say him is a media man. Down a Guyana, everything it post TikTok everywhere. Him a say him not see it. I mean, know him see me and danger and all of them look a thing there, you know. But you don't know the hypocrisy. Him a try act like him not see what go on. You see me?
I'm sorry.
So the thing is that he performed at the
Daily Dirk catches
Guyana's
everything.
national stage. Perform at Guyana's
I saw
national
the bit
stage.
of news. I didn't see any clippings from it yet.
Right.
But I saw the news that he was performing.
You see the news, but you don't see any clippings. People, I want big hypocrite you this. Remember me tell you that, yeah? Him see everything we are going. Him just a play like. You see me? Yeah, man.
There. Yeah, what you say? Mash up? Mash up place?
Yeah, man. It wrecked. Mashup is it wrecked. And I'm not advocating for him. I'm just being honest. It literally wrecked
But it's still a go
the
on.
national stadium. Yes, not
Okay.
still going on. The song has some serious traction.
I know. Well, maybe because I haven't been.
Travels, you know.
I know, but it's like how I get a feel for these things is even if it plays a lot in events. Maybe it's that I haven't been to enough events lately. It's because it's the impact, you know, like when it's forced bus and thing, but I don't know if it's that it's still a carry on to
No, man,
me
that's
over there
what-
right now. Because I want it release again April or March.
March.
March, right? But could I tell you, say, yeah, man, that song you go on good April. But late, me, you know, I don't know personally. Me don't know. But you say it go on good.
Yes, man. As I said, you can see the evidence is there.
Me not really see as much girl as shape on my timeline again.
People, I want to see how that youth are dangerous in a youth. I want to see the people. Narrow. Dog. You have to stop it, dog. Stop bad mind the youth, my G. Cause right, yeah, so it come like you catch Harry flu right now. You understand? You are say you know see no girl now post a song on your feeds right now. But you say you don't see no clip or no video. How you see the girls or everything? You is a media man. Brother, who not see Alkaline gone and lead already, dog? One more now go try one though. Nothing wrong if you speak the truth, you know, my G. But if you not go be a media house and podcast, brother, you have to put the feelings one side. You see me? Put the feelings one side, my G. Everybody see. It no matter who want rate Alkaline, everybody see the girl good and mash up the place. You understand? Everybody. But know yourself, you will see.
The music, you see, here's the thing. The music travels, you know, and you have to remember that when you release a song, it may catch a wave in Jamaica first.
True, and then catch a next one later on
Right.
next one. True.
Because
Well, I don't know, you know. Come like the slip and slide just a catch in Jamaica, really. But I don't know about the other places because I nah see the rest of the reaction them outside. But you know what? We will see the reaction whenever Masicka perform on some major stage and see. With the same song. We're gonna see.
there's always the thing.
So people, pick up on yourself, you know. No don't know one media fox putting up, don't. I don't know wrong with Naro and I'm feelings. I guess, you know, Alkaline and not really him artist, but him see the domination and you see me, him just go play the hypocrite and say Ray and anything. But I just one of them thing there. You see me, at the end of the day, Masicka and Alkaline are them a young generation. But we know that the girl good is doing way more bigger than the slip and slide. We're sure of that. We have a lot of proof. You understand? And I just you have to just speak the facts and reality. You see me? Yeah man, but people, they don't know one meter facts on them. Just speak up on yourself, you see it? Yeah man, that is it.